Have you ever felt the pain and despair of being unable to escape? Looking for a moment of peace in sadness and loss is like a luxury? Take you through the pain step by step and find the power of happiness again. Every stage of life has its own unique challenges. In the face of pain, we often feel that the world is only dark and luck is far away. However, as long as we don't give up hope, we can find a way out of difficulties. We can draw wisdom from past experience and move towards a brighter future. According to Buddhist wisdom, all difficulties have their own solutions. As long as we have confidence and love, we can gradually get out of the darkness. The key lies in our inner strength to make it our guide. When we experience pain and low tide, our inner strength is often ignored. The real power comes from inner stability and love. Through meditation and self-reflection, we can awaken this inner power, which is like a hidden treasure, only waiting for us to discover. When we begin to accept our fragility and shortcomings, this force will support us when we need it most and let us stand up again. Happiness is not an external pursuit, but an inner feeling. After experiencing sadness, we will have a deeper understanding of happiness. After walking in the dark, we know how to cherish the light better. Through self-reflection and the repair of the soul, we can find real happiness and satisfaction, which comes from the peace of the soul and the nourishment of love. In the face of pain, the most difficult thing is often to accept reality. The wisdom of Buddhism tells us that acceptance is a kind of power, and letting go is a kind of wisdom. Acceptance does not mean compromise, but understanding and respect for reality. Letting go is not an escape, but reducing the burden on the soul. Through acceptance and letting go, we can find peace in our hearts and regain happiness. Pain makes us grow and make us more resilient. In this process, we should learn to build new hope. Although the future is unknown, as long as we have hope, we can turn pain into strength. Believe in the power of love and kindness, so that we can bravely face challenges and create our own happiness. Love is the cure for everything. When we look for light in pain, love and care are the most valuable support. Whether it is from family, friends, or the warmth of strangers, we can feel the beauty of life. Growing up in love, we learn to tolerate and understand, so that the mind can be healed. Healing is not achieved overnight, but a process that requires time and patience. In this process, meditation and self-dialogue can become effective methods. Take a little time every day to quietly talk to your heart, find the root causes of your pain, and give yourself the strength to get out of the pain. Let's find the strongest of ourselves when we are most vulnerable. Pain often takes away our confidence. However, as long as we want, we can regain that self-confidence. Everyone is unique and has unlimited potential. Through self-affirmation and positive psychological construction, we can rebuild self-confidence and face the uncertainty of the future. This journey is not easy, but in the process of accepting reality, letting go of the past and rebuilding hope, we can find the power to regain happiness. May these wisdoms be your guide to get out of heartache, and let love and hope become your lighthouse and illuminate the road ahead. May all people in pain find inner peace and experience the beauty of happiness again. May love and hope always accompany each other, so that every heart can find light in the dark.